we need to talk about zombie cells. That's not a scientific term, of course, but it's an apt description for senescent cells. Cells that have stopped dividing but refuse to die. As we age, these cells accumulate throughout our tissues, and they're far from harmless bystanders. They actively secrete inflammatory factors, proteases, and other molecules that damage surrounding healthy cells, a phenomenon researchers call the senescence-associated secretory phenotype, or SASP. The accumulation of senescent cells has been linked to numerous age-related pathologies, from osteoarthritis to cardiovascular disease to cognitive decline. Animal studies have been particularly revealing here. When researchers selectively eliminate senescent cells in mice, the animals show remarkable improvements in health span and even lifespan extension. This has led to intense interest in senolytics, compounds that can selectively induce death in senescent cells while leaving healthy cells unharmed. Now, pharmaceutical senolytics are in clinical trials, but several natural compounds show genuine senolytic properties based on published research. Quercetin is a flavonoid found in onions, apples, and capers, and it's been shown in studies to have senolytic effects, particularly when combined with dasatinib in research settings. Fisetin, found in strawberries and other fruits, may be even more potent. A study at the Mayo Clinic showed that fisetin could reduce senescent cell burden in mice. EGCG from green tea has also demonstrated some senolytic activity. Here's what makes implementation tricky. Senolytics appear to work best when taken intermittently, not continuously. The theory is that you take them for a few days to clear out senescent cells, then stop to allow normal cellular processes to resume. Some protocols suggest taking these compounds for 3 consecutive days, then taking 11 days off before repeating. Dietary sources provide these compounds naturally, though at much lower concentrations than supplement forms. A diet rich in colorful fruits and vegetables, particularly berries, onions, and green tea, provides a baseline level of these compounds. Exercise adds another dimension here. Physical activity appears to enhance immune surveillance, helping the body's natural systems identify and eliminate senescent cells. This creates a synergistic effect with senolytic compounds. But I want to inject some caution into this discussion. The research on natural senolytics in humans is still relatively early. Most studies showing dramatic effects have been in cell cultures or animal models. The doses required for senolytic effects in humans may be higher than what's typically consumed through diet or even standard supplementation. There's also emerging research on xenomorphics, compounds that don't kill senescent cells but suppress their harmful secretions. This might actually be a safer long-term approach, since not all senescent cells are harmful. Some play important roles in wound healing and tissue remodeling. The practical protocol here would involve cyclical supplementation with quercetin, perhaps 500 mg twice daily, and fisetin, around 100 mg daily, for 3 consecutive days per month. Combine this with a diet naturally rich in these compounds and regular exercise to support immune function. But understand that we're in relatively early territory with human applications.